What it do, YouTube? Bring you guys another video with the Malibu. And here's what we're gonna do. Y'all know what it is, y'all know what it do. I'm out here grinding. How about you? Make sure to go ahead and go hard at whatever it is that you're doing. No matter how long it takes, go ahead and just keep striving for it, because as long as you give that work ethic, you're gonna keep going, and don't worry about what anybody else has to say about your grind or whatever it is that you're doing, because at the end of the day, it's all hate. The reason why I'm saying that is because I made a TikTok, and one of the videos, it went kind of viral. 27,000 views. I was just messing around, but some guy was like, why would you post this if you lost? But you got to keep in mind, the same way you post your dub, appreciate your L's as well. Every win comes with an L. Makes sense. You're not always going to be winning. There's going to be some times when you're losing, and you got to appreciate the losses the same way you appreciate the win. Yeah, just maintain your grind. If you say you're going to do it, go ahead and do it. Do what you got to do what you want to do. Keep that in mind. All right, with that being said, I want to take this piece off and do it a carbon fiber vinyl wrap to it. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Removing this piece and doing these carbon fiber. I could get this from Amazon. I think it was like 10 bucks for a whole kit. Tools for removal for any panels. So I highly recommend you get some tools. I'm gonna be doing most of my interior. I went ahead and invested into this. All right, so for this piece, we're gonna be removing this right here. This should honestly just be clipped on, so you could just pick this up, slide it up. And it does have a cable back here. This one might be connected right here. So what you want to do, okay, right here. It has the end piece from the back. You just push it up, slide off. Then from right here, you just unhook this piece. Should pop right off. And for this piece, you just apply pressure onto here, and it pops right off. So it's fully removed. So it gives it a easier way to finish with it. Now let's remove the other side. So I got both of these. So now let's go ahead and so we could wrap these, and let's go. All right, so now that you got your piece removed, you got your towel and your interior cleaner or a detailer that you may have laying around, and wipe down the surface, just to make sure it's clean and the vinyl sticks onto it. Now that you remove the backing paper, so this is the sticky part on it. So you're gonna try to center it as best as you can. So go ahead and once you find the center, start from the top. This is lifted and this is already pressed down. So what you wanna do on the press down part, try to lay your hand and flatten the piece out. Move accordingly. If you feel like you're getting some dents, don't even worry about it. This is only laying up the piece, so we could then do this part. So we could just have this piece already stuck onto there. Now you can just hold it. So grab your squeegee, press down in the edges. At this part of the installation, you don't need any heating. We're just laying down the edges right now. Once you get into these curves, then that's when you want to apply some heat. Have any marks, you can simply just lift it up and then run it down with the heating source you have and squeegee it down, and it will make all all these little marks disappear. So we're gonna cut this excess out in a bit. But first you wanna make sure everything's already arranged. Since this is a big piece, we're gonna go ahead and cut it. Just so it helps us out when working on this. Now you wanna cut your hole right here. Well, first you wanna heat it up. Press down and you can see the shape of it. You want to cut it perfect, just like that. That we could just pull it down and wrap it around the circle on the inside of it. Now you're gonna make these holes right here. You guys know what we're about to go do. We need that gas. Of a difference, that little pillar made to the car. It looks way different now. And I'll get right back to you guys when I do. Y'all see that carbon fiber? I'll open it up and do what the model desire. In this case, she wants some gas. You know she bougie, so we gotta give her that first class. Let's get it. Something about what I hate about when I race here in Houston is gets all these leaves stuck onto it. Like I gotta go one by one, take them all off. It's kind of annoying, but yeah. Every time it rains, it does this. So you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know if y'all could tell, but y'all see what I mean about this Houston weather being bipolar. No joke. None of you guys. It was just sunny not so long ago, but look at it now, it's pouring. There goes to show with this Houston bipolar weather. I don't know what it is. Alright guys, so the weather did calm down just a little bit, but it still looks cloudy. It's gonna continue raining, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you guys are new and want to be part of the crew, go ahead and subscribe if you want it on the gravy and watch this baby get real crazy, because I'm bringing you guys content with this car, and I'm gonna be showing you guys DIYs, me basically building this car, a bit of performance, and of course cosmetic things, hopefully, and whatever you guys would recommend. Remember, if you want to shine, you gotta grind. Quit making these excuses and make the time. Do whatever it is you gotta do to do what you want to do, if that makes any sense. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and like this video so that it gets recommended to other people and we help this channel really grow, and so that I could possibly add a second car for this channel. But we're just gonna have to wait and see. Be sure to comment if you have any questions or any regards you want to get through, and turn on post notification bell so that you don't miss another video whenever I do post. It's your boy Wavy J, and I hope everybody has a blessed day. Peace.